Hello, and welcome to Paddy's Crash Course in Catastrophe, the quiz show that doesn't refrain from putting us nuts on the table. That's funny. Right, let's meet the teams. On my right, we have the A team featuring Annie Martin. Say hello, Annie.
Hello.
That's enough. And Marcus Reeves.
How you doing?
Marcus. Oh, what do you do with those lustrous locks in the morning?
Thinking the same about you, Paddy.
Yeah. Sorry. Right, let's meet the B team. Featuring Adam Bowstead and Izzy Wickstead. Adam, it says here that you're severely allergic to nuts.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, if you could not be allergic to one nut, what would that be?
You?
You look like a Paddy kind of guy, to be honest. Right, Izzy, it says here that you're a strong supporter of UKIP. Please tell me more.
I hate everything and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to watch the world burn.
I'm not sure I agree with you there. Right, quick bonus question for B team. If I had a cake and cut it into 4, how many slices of cake would I have?
Four?
I'm thinking four.
Four?
No.
No?
No, none is the answer. I had quite a big lunch, so come on, I thought you would have known that. Not off to a good start. Right, riddle me this. Sorry, moving on, let's go to the first round. Riddle me this. The round in which I pitch you a riddle and you tell me what you think the answer is. Teams, please squeeze your chew toys if you think you know the answer. If you press it willy-nilly, please be prepared to fight me in the car park. Right, let's begin. Riddle me this. What starts with a T, ends with a T, and has T in it? What? Yes, A team.
Teapot.
Teapot is in fact the answer. That is a point to A team. Okay, second riddle. What is yours, but your friends use it more than you do? What is yours, but your friends use it? Yes, B team.
Your name.
Your name is in fact the answer. Well done. Right, riddle number 3. Feed me and I live, yet give me a drink and I die. Feed me and I live. Yes, A team.
Fire.
Fire is in fact the answer. Well done. Riddle number 4 now. How could a cowboy ride into town on Friday, stay 2 days, and ride out on Friday? How could a cowboy ride it? Yes.
His horse is called Friday.
His horse is in fact called Friday. Well done. Riddle number 5 now. How many letters are in the alphabet? How many letters are in the alphabet?
26 is too easy.
How many letters are in the alphabet? It's quite a tough one. Do you know the answer?
Oh, that's actually.
Gonna have to push you guys. Gonna have to push you.
I think it's.
Anyone? Come on.
11.
Yes. 11 is in fact the answer. Well done. Right, finally, riddle number 6. What gets wetter the more it dries? What gets wetter? Yes, A team.
Towel.
A towel is in fact the answer. Well done. Right. That concludes Riddle Me This. However, I have had my Weetabix this morning and I am feeling energized. So I thought I would grace you with a bonus riddle. Right, so riddle me this. What always ends everything? What always ends everything? Yes, B team.
The letter G.
The letter G is in fact the answer. Right. The scores at the end of that round stand at 4 to B and 3 to A. And that leads us on to round 2. This is a real quacker, ladies and gentlemen. A real quacker. Round 2 is in fact What the Duck Is That? A game in which we take well-known movie posters, tamper with them using the common mallard & co, leaving the teams to guess the name of the film that we have ducked with. Teams, squeak in if you know the answer. Let's have a quick practice. Yes, 18.
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park is in fact the answer. Well done, 18. Now that we know how this game works, let's begin. Poster number 1. What the duck is that?
Squeeze.
Yes, B team.
The Hangover.
The Hangover is in fact the answer. Well done. Poster number 2 now. What the duck is that? What the duck is that? Yes, B team.
Sorry, Star Wars 3. Revenge of the Sith?
Revenge of the Sith. It is in fact. Cool, nearly got close there. Right. Poster number 3. What the duck is that? Yes, 18.
Apocalypse Now.
Apocalypse Now is in fact the answer. That is Francis Ford Coppola's masterpiece there. Now, poster number 4. What the duck is that? What is that? Yes.
Black
18.
Swan.
Black Swan is in fact the answer. Well done. Poster number 5 now. What the duck is that? Can you tell me? Yes, 18.
Is it the Hunger Games?
The Hunger Games is in fact the answer. Well done, 18. Right, poster number 6 now. What the duck is that? What is that? Can you tell me what the duck that is? Yes, 18.
Kick-Ass.
Kick-Ass is in fact the answer. Well done. And the scores at the end of round 2 are 7 to B and 6 to A. Reid, you're lagging behind a bit, Team A. Right, and that brings us to our first break. Stick around for more utterly unequivocal foolishness because, well, I'd like to get to know you better. See you in a few.